Today, I'm excited to share a life story with you. Please stay tuned. A mix of Jamaican patois and English. Okay? Parents, tell me, when we were growing up, when we are grew up in Jamaica, our parents taught us to live within our means. What has changed? What has changed? Tell me that these parents nowadays, Jamaican parents, they don't teach children to live within their means. One of my friend, her son, kill her over $200 sneakers. The mother can't afford it. He backed the mother up in the corner. And you know the rest. We must learn to take care of our children properly. But when we start flood them with gift and the expensive stuff, and when we can't afford it, what is going to happen? Are they going to attack us? When we grow old or get older, you think we are going to see them? Old people used to say, pension depend picnic. Let me tell you something. Me have news for you. No pension no depend no picnic. We don't know what our children will do to us when we get old. We don't know what them are going to do to we. So we have to make a way for ourselves. We have to prepare the way that when we get old and can manage, we have something to take care of we. Don't rely on your child to take care of you when you get old. We treat them as baby. We take care of them. We clean their butts. We wash their clothes. We do everything as a mother do to her child and children. But when we start pee and poop, are they going to take care of us? No. We don't know. And I'm talking because I've seen it all. I've seen where parents is taking out their all and put it on the line in material things. And they don't have a house. They don't have nothing. When they do for their children, they don't have a cent to rack against a cent. And these kids are underage children. And you say, them a go to college where you give them one good education, where you say, yeah, spend every red cent on them. No, not like that. Parents are giving children the parents' shoe and them take the children's shoe. I've seen it in my everyday life, and I'm tired of telling parents this is not the way to go about it. Oh, and I can't do this without them. Listen to me. We have to know how to sever the ties and to cut the umbilical cord. We cannot be acting like children and children be acting like parents. It's wrong. And when you get that to be on that way or that side of the scope, you fail as a parent. You're failing. You're failing as a parent because you're the one who should have the compass, the chart, the map to guide your child. And your child having the compass and the map guiding you. I see this from 7 years old onwards to 16. Parents, you need to stand up. Stand up for what you believe in. Stand up for the principle that your mother and father and down to you. Picnic salting fish here different. Meaning, when you have a child, there are certain things you don't do. Parents living like sisters with their daughters. Listen to me. It's wrong. It's wrong. Love your children. But, you see, when it comes on to adult business, don't relate everything to your child. Don't relate those things to your child. Your child needs to stay in his or her lane. Know which lane picnic stay in. Because when you start to talk down to your child and start to tell your child things where that child not supposed to hear, that child is going to attack you, disrespect you in every shape and form. You can't say nothing because guess what? You share with that child things that you're not supposed to share. That child become an adult before that child become a child. Yeah. Force ripe. You hear granny say, then to force ripe. Yeah. You can't make picnic force ripe. Because them your picnic nowadays, them only want them bamboo bed and then tin in lamp. When you broke them out, and when you start carry Tom around them, Dick around them, Harry around them, they are emulating your character. They must follow the characteristic where you set out for them. So therefore, they're not going to respect you. They're not going to have any respect for you. Children should know that people not pick up money. Hard work give you money. As the Bible say, by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. Not no come easy. My mother tell me that. Not no come easy. You have to walk for where you want. That's how I was raised. That's how I was grown with those saying. So, I ask again, what has changed? Let me know what has changed. We are living in a society where wrong become right and right become wrong. But you need to stand on your words. Stand for what you believe in. Embrace the teachings of your parents. That children should honor mother and father. Them you're picking no business with we. Them not care about we. Don't be the mother. Don't be the father who give your child this expensive things and that child don't know the value of money. Them don't know the value of money. Them feel say people pick up money. My mother always tell me no. You think say me I pick up money? I didn't understand really what she was saying until now. She means that if me get little something, like me get one shoes, me supposed to carry because no money now go did if I buy no more. As though me want to destroy the shoes. So she tell me say if me think I pick up people, pick up money. Sometimes the shoes more boss. You have to carry a shoemaker because you can't get a new shoes. You understand? But these children, them coming at the digital world, where when them a go to school, them see them friend in this name brand and they want brand. Go work for brand. Go work for brand. It no come easy. It no come easy. What in the world are some of these parents thinking? A child want a $600 shoes. You ever work $600? Go and go walk. You want a $400 shoes. You ever work $400? Go and go walk. Or go look walk since you want money. Them sit and them watch every red cent parents are spend. One, you cannot give anybody anything. Because when you give somebody something, them have a problem with it. Because it's all about them. I always tell my children, I know where the tie is severed and the line is drawn. Them can't ramp with me. Me and me one big woman, very unruly. So them now look for tell me what to do or who to give. Because if I give something to somebody, I don't talk about it. So therefore, I'm not coming to say I give John, I give Tom, I give Dick, or I give Harry something. I'm not that type of person. What you give somebody, you don't let anyone know about what you give to somebody. You give and it perish. Sometimes the person you give things to, you don't know tomorrow you'll fall down on your feet, or on your, not on your feet, correction, on your face, and that person will give you something. Try to treat everyone with love and compassion. Nobody no better than nobody. Don't look down on anyone. You don't know, one day you will in that person's shoe. I have been there and I've done that. I've never looked down on anyone, but I've give, and I have found myself in a position where I didn't have certain things because I lost my job, and it was someone who I helped had helped me. Sometimes I don't even know people. I just talk to them on the phone. Never met them in real life. And they are the type of person who will, oh, I can get you a job. They go on the phone, tack, 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 I got a job. So, I say that as to say this, parents, open your eye. These kids will lead you astray. Don't go astray with them. Take back your parents' shoe. Don't let these kids rule you. Oh, I don't want them to feel this way, and I don't want them to do this, and I don't want them. Hey, when we parents never have it and we have to do it out, sometimes we go back a corner go cry, you know. Yes, we go back a corner go cry, but look at us today. Look at us today. Look where we are today. We've come a mighty long way. We not them now go dead. Tough love. Give them it. Make them know if they stand up on them 2 foot. So that they're able to take care of their family. Because if you give them everything, all when them have for them family, you have to go still take care of them. And them not left your foot. Some of them not left, you know. Because they want mama to mind them. I remember working somewhere where the mother is still giving the gentleman money, giving her son money. And the son not going nowhere. He live with the mother until the mother die. He's not helpful to her. But some of them now left your foot because they can't get the door. They now left your foot. So parents, listen what I'm saying to you. And if you find that what I'm saying has any merit, please like this video. Please subscribe to this video. Please share this video. And if you feel that I'm talking the truth and I'm saying things that are positive, that can help a mother today, that can help a father today, please tell me I'm talking the truth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please share with a friend. Please share up the video. Engage in the comment section. Please and thanks. Thank you for even scrolling through this video. I appreciate you. Comment. I certainly respond to all of my comments. Thank you.